I got the wave. Alrighty, guys, we're out on the XR, obviously, ripping around. Got some stuff to do today, so thought I'd take y'all along. And got a new camera today. Just testing it out. I don't have a mic on it yet, but I just want to kind of see what it's like, see the video quality. Kind of a little bit of controversy with this this camera here. A lot of people seem to very much, gosh, this person's really close to me. Jeez, give me some space. A lot of people seem to not quite care for this camera a lot. I'll just kind of go over the reasons why I got it. Well, first off, it's the GoPro Max 360. I got it because I already have a GoPro 12, and I do have a subscription to GoPro to where I get the cloud storage, and make sure all my stuff's closed. And everything that I heard about its competitor, the Insta360, now there's an X5. I did look at getting that because of the 8K and everything, you know. It's really nice camera. But what kind of turned me off, which I still might end up getting it just to like have it and see what the difference is. But the main reason is like I wanted it for a different point of view. Kind of like my Insta360 Go S or 3S, whatever it is. I just wanted a different point of view for filming YouTube videos. And the problem with that is that you can only upload in 4K. And when you're offloading to a device, like a mobile device like I normally do, you can also only offload in 4K. Now, this GoPro Max 360 offload videos in 5.5 or 5.6. It's the same quality as the Xr150l that I'm filming on my helmet. But the quality I feel like is going to be a little bit better on my helmet cam because I can put indie filters on it and I have a lot more customization with the shot that I take, like with motion blur and everything. And you're not going to be able to do that, unfortunately, with any of the 360 cameras, which kind of is a bummer. And then also it's like, what's the point in filming in 8K? Like, a lot of people that use the Insta that, you know, don't try and sell it to you, a lot of those people, they'll go and say that, like, you can't, you have to film, like, let's say workload, or you filmed a video, you want to edit it, you have to film it and then leave the film on the camera and edit it on the camera into a smaller, shorter video and get the frame size that you want, and then offload it off of the camera because it's too big for your mobile device. And it's like, man, that's crazy. You know what I mean? Like, that's crazy. Like, you can't even offload it. The Max, I can go and just film my video, plug my camera into the wall, and it automatically offloads my footage onto the GoPro app. And then I can edit it later. So I can go out riding like I am now, film a video, go back to the house, plug it in, it'll upload it to the app, and then later on, I can go in the app and edit my video whenever I have time to edit it. I don't have to stop my life, stop what I'm doing to go and just make a fun video. Like, that seems so much better to me. And then I don't feel like I'm going to notice a loss in quality, because when I upload it to YouTube, it's gonna be in 4K anyway. I won't be able to even use the full resolution of this camera. Now, I think that because it's a 360 view, I think that even though it says 5.6K or whatever, it's only going to look like 4K. But just speculation at this point. I think because like the 12 is 5K, but it's a smaller lens, like a smaller view, it'll actually look like a better quality over this wider field of view. I think it's gonna get distorted. The other issue I'm having is that I cannot connect my mic to this camera currently. I am gonna get the adapter and all of that junk, and I'm gonna hook up a DJI mic to it, and then just have to have an extra mic in my helmet. But I'm gonna get that for it, because I do want to be able to, like, when I'm doing this, I haven't obviously edited this video yet, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to connect the audio to both of them. Like, at this point, I'm probably gonna use this camera. It's recording right now. I'm probably gonna use I'm actually gonna pull over right here real quick. I'm probably gonna use this camera for my audio and stuff like that, and I'll see if I'll be able to throw clips in from the 360 camera. Oh, I forgot to zero out my XR hard times. Gotta zero it out when you put gas. So I'll see if I can put some audio in off of this camera, but I don't know if I'll be able to for now. When I get the DJI mic, install the DJI mic into it with the mic adapter and all that, I'll be able to get it done. But for now, it looks like I'm not gonna be able to do it. I was hoping I could hook them both up to my cardio pack, my helmet pack, and have audio like I have on this camera, but it doesn't look like I'm gonna be able to do it. But I like the camera so far. I like the size. I also wished that I thought originally that the battery was gonna be the same battery in that camera as this camera, and it's not the same battery. It's a different battery, which is a bummer. Because I was like, oh, I'll be able to use the same batteries, I'll be able to use the app, all of this nonsense, and then I got it. It's not, and that's a bummer. But there's just not a whole lot of information about this camera, because everybody wants to go to the Insta360 camera. Everybody seems to be hating on GoPro, which, I mean, I understand. They're like, there's annoying things about GoPro for sure. I get annoyed and frustrated too, but I don't know. I'm already paying for the subscription for this camera. Might as well throw that camera in there. It was a lot cheaper than the Insta as well. So if I end up not liking it and it ends up not being something that I want to keep pursuing, I can always just get the other one. I mean, it would be nice to be able to do vlogs like this, have a front view from me or a rear view of me, and then audio on both cameras. I'm sure there's a way to edit it in, but I don't know of it yet. I'm not that good at it. I would just like to have two mics and then record both of them. I think that would be the easiest way to have an easy workflow during editing. But it'd be nice for like shorts and stuff like that, little clips. But I'll keep y'all posted. We'll keep talking about it. We'll keep having it on here and just see what we think about it. I mean, I'm liking it so far, but I wish I could hook them both up to the same mic, and I wouldn't have to do different mic setups and stuff. But kind of is what it is. Thanks for watching. Like and sub. Y'all have a good one.